got him, no problem.
Good morning, everybody. I'm still at deer camp. Hello, Matt. Hello, Aaron. Hello, Mark. You guys been following this stuff pretty faithfully. So, and everybody else, hello. I'm still here at deer camp. It's a gorgeous day out there. I've been here for 4 days now. I haven't had any luck. But that doesn't mean I'm not learning anything and not picking something up from the land. So lots of deer sign in the area, so I've got high hopes. I'm going to have to keep this video a little bit on the short side. It's hard for me to keep up with them right now during the deer hunt. So, you know, when I'm spending time in the tree stand, I'm not making videos. It's hard to hunt and video and all that at the same time. I don't have a camera crew. So, but hopefully you guys are enjoying the hunt with me this year. I am able to bring bits and pieces of it. I've set out a couple of more game cameras. I'm really excited about the game camera that I set out last night. It's close to where the new tree stand is, with lots and lots of deer signs. So I really believe that we're gonna have some buck pictures for you pretty darn soon. And give me a good handle on what's down here for bucks too. And I've got one more game camera with me. I'm probably going to set that out this afternoon on the way back out to the tree stand, so that I can get, there's a couple other different runs that I want to get a camera on. It's just like I got a buck scrape not too far from here, so I would like to get a camera on that too. But hey, there's only so many hours in a day, and most of the day right now I need to be sitting in the tree stand. Hopefully get a crack at one of these bucks floating around here. So we'll see what happens. But my goodness. But so far the cabin's working out well. I've still got, so it'll be more comfortable next trip. I've still got to put the kitchen in. That's going to make a big difference. And I got to put a cabinet up here on this wall behind me. Something that will hold some of the loose stuff that's floating around. You know, in a small building, you got to make everything have its own spot, or you'll never find it. Not that I got a lot of stuff out here, but between hunting stuff and cooking stuff and all of that, everything kind of has to have its own home. You know, the hunting stuff is warm clothes, gloves, mittens, socks, all that kind of stuff. So we want to stay warm, we want to stay dry, and we want to stay safe. And with any luck, we'll drop a deer that's pretty close where we can hook onto him with the 6-wheeler. At my age, that's pretty important now. I dragged a 8-pointer. Wow, geez, I dragged 8-point, 6-point. But I dragged an 8-point one time, almost a half a mile. Unbelievable how much work that is. The 9-point I got a couple of years ago, I slipped him into a jet sled. So I've done the same thing here. I brought a jet sled out with me. That if I take a deer out there and he runs out into the swale grass, I'm going to need something to get him back, because hauling stuff through the swale grass like an animal is pretty tough to do. But I think in a jet sled, we get a reflection coming up off the floor, giving all kinds of light. That's underneath the door. But I think in a jet sled, I think a deer would skid pretty good across that swale grass. So that's my plan anyways. It's the same jet sled I used for the buck, the 9-point I got a couple years ago. So we'll see if that will work out for this one too. Hopefully he'll just drop right where I shoot him, and I won't have to drag him 1,000 yards. By next year I'll have roads over there for the 6-wheeler. So then I'll be able to, you know, as long as I can get him close to a road, or I can get the 6-wheeler close to him, then I won't have to drag him at all. But that's another part of this winter's projects. While I'm making trails, I'll be gathering firewood. So the trails will get in and the firewood will get in at the same time. That's 2 birds with 1 stone kind of deal. Well, you guys have a good week, and I will see you next week. I just wanted to touch bases with you. You know, it's just busy time of year with deer season here. That's for darn sure. So you take it easy and have a good week.